attaching the bougainvillea. This one here. Look at my little, well, not so little anymore, bougainvillea. Look at this guy. We have to figure out what we're gonna do. I want to paint this wall, just repaint it a very similar color, and get some like wiring and start attaching the bougainvillea to the wire as it grows, because I want it to like just get all over this wall. But yeah, look at all these little flowers coming in. So excited. I did a holiday gift guide and it took me forever because I had a lot of things that I wanted to talk about really quickly, because I've been meaning to talk about this. I just haven't had the chance. I got this like 2 days ago, I think. They are crunchy seasoned peas. Doesn't sound very appetizing at all, but they don't taste like peas at all. They're seasoned like amazingly. It says it's gluten-free, 6 grams of protein per serving, which is 1/3 of a cup. The macros are not like amazing, but it's a pretty decent source of protein. It's not bad. I like it as like an in-between snack. I just wanted to talk about it because if you're somebody that struggles with eating vegetables and you want like a little snack that isn't horrible for you, really like this. Do you guys have something that you could eat every single day of your life and not get tired of? For me, it's the Trader Joe's high protein burger with mustard, toasted burger bread, and 2 pickles on the side. Sometimes 3. I can eat this every single day and not get tired of it. Just leave me a comment down below of the food that you would be able to eat every single day and like not get tired of. It is Monday, November 19th, and we're gonna go get our Christmas tree. So we just got back home and that was a waste of my life because the first place we went to, all the trees were dried. Every single tree was just dry. And then we went to another place. We went to Home Depot, but they couldn't cut the tree until later, so we have to go back later. So yeah, I'm opening up a package from Gemary right now. Look how cute. It says The Fine Crew. So cute. That's me. It's so cute. They did like a little magazine for their ambassadors. They put everyone's like handles. So cute. So I got this plant because I desperately needed another little hanging plant to put where I have all of my hanging plants, because this one right here was once an orchid, but it's just dead right now. So I ordered some things from H&M Home, which I'm going to unbox right now. And I just went a little vase crazy because they have the cutest vases. I got these 2, which is a set, but I can use them separately. I got this one. Got this one. This is all glass, by the way. I got this one, which looks very vintage. I love it. I got these 2 little glasses. Ideally, I think I want to use them as toothbrush holders for the bathroom. And then this for cotton pads for the bathroom, like the cotton pads that I use for my toner and stuff. And then this little tray. It's so cute. Hi. Tuesday, November 20th. I'm making myself breakfast. I meant to show you guys my Christmas tree. I did a little, I think a time lapse of me doing it, but my camera ran out of battery mid time lapse. So I don't know how that turned out because I haven't seen the footage yet. So I'm gonna show you the tree really quick. It's the same exact thing that I did last year. I'm just excited to have it up longer this year because I feel like I always have it on for such a short period of time. While I wait for my pancakes to finish, I wanted to show you guys some pajamas that my mom got me. Well, she got it for herself, but they were way too long on her, so she gave them to me. It's just a Frenchie. I don't even own a Frenchie, but they're so cute. I feel like I haven't showed you guys like what I eat in a long time. So lately I've been doing mushrooms with eggs, salt, pepper, cheese. I sprinkle a little bit of hemp seeds. I got this from Trader Joe's. And 2 Kodiak protein buttermilk pancakes and some 100% maple syrup. And if they look a little burnt, it's because I like them extra crispy, so I water my batter down quite a bit, and that's how you get them nice and crispy. And I do have blueberries in them. So yeah, let's do a little unboxing, shall we? Box number 1. What could this possibly be? It is a toilet brush. By the way, I got this at CB2. You'll be surprised how hard it is to find like a matte white one. I wanted it to look like ceramic or something, but I think it looks nice and sleek. So yeah, for those of you that watch my vlogs, thanks for watching them. This is what you get. Toilet brush unboxings. And I also got these little candle holders, which are surprisingly very heavy. They're just like plain gold or like brass candle holders. I got 2 of them. What if I hot glue it together or something? I really don't want to go through the return process for $6, okay? I'm not sure where I'm gonna put them, but I put one here for now on my bench, and I put the other one here on my desk. So I've been busy the whole day, so I kind of forgot to show you guys the tree during daytime. So I'm gonna try my best to show you now. But this is what it looks like. I put burlap as the tree skirt last year, but it got ruined, so I need to find another tree skirt. I just don't know like what color I'm gonna do. I wanted to do something light beige, but I haven't found anything that I like. So it looks like this. I don't like to decorate it too much. I got that star in Target last year. All of the little animal ornaments are from Target, and the balls, the majority of them are from Kmart, I think I got them from. Yeah, and these little things I got at Hobby Lobby. I always like to like put them in random areas around the tree. I also put little acorns like loosely around the tree, so it looks like a real, there's one in here, so it just looks like a real tree. So yeah, I don't like to fill the tree too much. I like the tree to look very green, just with like a couple of decorations, even though it kind of is a lot. So yeah, I need to find a tree skirt for it, so I'll let you guys know when I do. But that's what we have so far. Hey guys, it is November 21st, Wednesday, and I'm on my way to get some stuff because today is Friendsgiving, and I thought I had extra aluminum, like you know those big aluminum plates? I thought I had extra ones and I don't. So yeah, an hour before I'm supposed to start getting everything ready, I'm gonna go get these trays. So yeah, and I'm also hosting Thanksgiving at last minute, so I have to get a couple of things for that. Had to sleek my hair back because it's like day 8 of no washing. Hey guys, it is Thursday, November 22nd, Thanksgiving Day, and I just finished cleaning the house. This year, I'm hosting, so this should be fun. To show you guys my outfit. So my top is from Aritzia. My skirt is very old, well, not very old, from last year from Topshop. Shoes are also from last year from Aldo. Watch is from Rosefield. Don't remember where my earrings are from, but I will link them down below. Still have my hair slicked back, still haven't washed it. So yeah, I'm just waiting for everyone to get here, and I'm starving as per usual. I really need to stop opening up my vlogs looking like a hot mess, but you guys are probably used to it by now, so at this point we're like family already, so this is what you get. It is Thursday, November 29th, and I'm currently putting my face on because I'm going to film today. I don't know what I'm gonna film, but I'm going to film, and then after I film, hopefully if it's not too late, I either want to go get some more Christmas, like subtle decor. I want to put something on my dining table and like in my office, and just a little more than what I have now, because right now it's looking a little not as festive as I would like for it to look. So yeah, I might do that. I'm drying my hair, by the way. If you guys are wondering what I have on my head, I should probably address that. I always assume that you guys know because I like mention these things in past vlogs, but obviously there are some of you that have never seen a vlog of mine before, so I show up like this and you're like, what does she have on her head? So this is called plopping, and it's just me drying my hair. Instead of using a regular towel, I use a cotton t-shirt to just kind of dry my hair a little bit before I diffuse it. I've always wanted to do Vlogmas, but I like my mental health, and I think it's okay right now. And if I know that if I commit to doing Vlogmas, it'll just drive me insane putting a video up every day. The way that I edit my videos, it just takes me very long. I don't think I would be able to upload a video every single day. Maybe I would have if I would have pre-filmed, but I didn't. So going into Vlogmas starting now would be like insane. So I'm not gonna do Vlogmas, I don't think. I know a couple of you asked, but I am going to try my best to get as many videos up as I can. So I don't want to commit to saying that I'm gonna do Vlogmas, but I am going to try to get as many videos out as I can. So if you guys have any ideas for things that I can do, it doesn't have to be Christmas related, but I don't know, just videos that I can just incorporate into December. Please leave me your ideas down below. You guys have the best ideas of all time. By the way, if my hair looks insane, it's because when I just finished washing my hair, I look like a lion. So it doesn't get like tamed until my second day. But I'm so upset right now because I was so excited. It's kind of cold outside, finally. And I pulled out my favorite mock neck ever. It's by Grana. I've talked about it a million times. And I go to lift my arm and I have a hole underneath my arm, like on my armpit area. Totally fixable, but it sucks because this is my favorite mock neck ever. I cannot believe this. By the way, I have Dexter's hair on my shirt because that is the story of my life. I also wanted to mention that I'm loving this little hairspray. It's the Comb Through Finishing Mist by Nexus. I was looking for a hairspray that doesn't have silicones in it. My hair, especially on first day, I need something that has a little bit extra hold after it's dry so that it just kind of like locks everything in and just helps me with like volume and stuff. This stuff is so good. I have the little sample, but I'm definitely going to go and buy the actual full size because it's really, really good. And I put it on today and it just gives so much volume and it kind of just like holds my curls without feeling dry or crunchy or anything. So I use this as a little like finishing mist, which is exactly what it's called. So this thing is not focusing as per usual. And hopefully, I love the backdrop here, it's so cute. Can we just look at my hair for a moment? Thank you guys so much for tuning in.
Always alone. You will always be there. Always alone.